Dr. Taylor Zhang, also known as Zhang Tao in Chinese, is an experienced obstetrician and gynecologist from East China's Fujian province. Zhang was a member of the 13th Chinese medical team dispatched to Botswana's capital Gabron in 2012.
我们在医疗队的那个时间段里面，我们3年，我自己个人在这块做了一些相当于波茨瓦纳有数十项的第一例的手术，实际上带来非常多的一些不一样的东西。
After finishing his 3-year tenure in 2015, he chose to stay in Botswana with his family as he wanted to bring more Chinese expertise and experience to local people.
I was recommended by another doctor I was seeing actually here, because of the complication I had. He's really a good doctor, he's patient. He will tell you everything that you have to do, and any problems you have, you can call him anytime.
I've been seeing Dr. Taylor since 2015. My first issue was hormonal imbalance. I managed to conceive 2017. I came again this time around because I'm expecting the third child.